So here is a cover lesson of Freda Payne's Band of Gold, and I'll be playing and using a rhythm pattern that you can see just here. The chords are very basic, common beginner guitar chords, G, C and D. If you want a complete lesson on this song, including the structure of the song and also how to transition between chords, especially the G and C chord, then check out the link here somewhere and or down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Happy strumming. 1,